Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious pumpkin spice milkshake. This is perfect for this time of the year because it's still warm, but you want pumpkin spice. So this is my solution for you guys, and oh my gosh, I was actually surprised that it tasted this good after I was eating it or drinking it. I'm like, wow, like this is actually better than I expected. It tastes like the most delicious vanilla pumpkin pie. So if that is something that you have been craving or you didn't know you were craving until you heard me say it, you guys need to make this. Oh my gosh. So let's get started. So it's so easy. All you need to do is pop some vanilla ice cream, some canned pumpkin, some pumpkin pie spice, some milk and vanilla extract into a blender and pulse until smooth. And if you can't get your hands on pre-made pumpkin pie spice, I made a video for it. So click the link in the cards right here and it will take you to my pumpkin spice mix video. So handy for like every pumpkin spice recipe this year or this season. Then you want to get some caramel sauce. I just bought it from the grocery store, like whatever kind that you like. And you just want to squeeze it around the inside of a glass. Then pour the milkshake into the glass and top with some whipped cream, a dusting of some ground cinnamon and a cinnamon stick, and you are done. So this is so fabulous. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth and creamy. Yeah, and it's just like, it's like vanilla pumpkin pie. I was so exhausted the day that I was filming it because I'm filming the intro like a couple days later, and it was the best to pick me up ever. So I really recommend it. I can't speak because I'm too excited about the milkshake. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell so you get notified when I upload my next video, because I have so many other pumpkin spice recipes coming for you guys, and Halloween is coming soon, or October 1st is coming soon, which is the start of Halloween recipes. And the first recipe, I came up with the idea. I'm sure somebody did it before, but I haven't looked it up. I was like, oh, that would be really cool. So I'm doing it first because I think you guys will love it. So stay tuned at least for October 1st because it's going to be such a cool video. Oh my gosh. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Bye!